Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to capture the count of a table into a variable and insert the same count into other table using Execute SQL Task. So first I will show my table here. This is my table person underscore info which contains 653 records. So here if you see the count you will get 653 records. By using Execute SQL Task, I am inserting the result, the count of this person underscore info table into other table. So which I want to create. There is no table. I want to create a table called temp table. Some temp table I am creating. So how to do this? I will show in this demo. After creating the temp table, having only one column, the same result or whatever the result you see in the count star from the person underscore info, that is 563, the same result you will appear in the temp table. Right now I don't have any temp table here. See here, temp. So select this one. You don't have any temp table here. Create the temp table and execute SQL task itself. So for that, first I'm creating one variable. So whose name is test. So my data type of this variable is integer. Okay. Next I am dragging two execute SQL tasks here. So first one I am giving getting count and here insert count into other table. So double click the first execute SQL task. Change this one as single row because whenever you get the count star, you get only the number of records from the table. So if you execute this one, you get only 563 records. So I'm copying this query. So I'm getting the connection, new connection. Sample is my database. So person info underscore table is in sample database. So I'm copying this one. So I'm giving alias name as number of records. So I'm closing this one. Go to result set. So add. We already created the result set here. So I'm copying this one. I'm just making it as a 0. Okay. So next one. Double click. So here you need to select the none and select the connection type same sample. So here you need to write a create statement of temp table, at the same time insert the data. Create table, temp is table name and it has only one column, number of records is the column name whose data type is integer, and insert into temp, insert into temp, select question mark. So you can select the data from the variable. Okay. And this one, go to parameter mapping and add. So here you need to select the variable which is already created. So input. So in parameter I'm just giving the 0 parameter size is 1, and it's taking integer or double, whatever it may be. I'm taking it as a, okay. So these are my settings. So click OK. Whenever you run the package here, right now I don't have any temp table. After running the package, all 563 records are there in the person info table are stored into one variable, that is the test variable, and then those are inserted into temp table. So I'm executing the package. Yeah, see here, package executed successfully, and go and check your tables and run as it is. See, number of records is the column name in the temp table 563. So count of records from person table 563. So in first scenario, we use it to get the result set because we already created one variable, and we can make it as a 0. So in first scenario, we can just read the count. We can just read the count, but whereas in second scenario, we can write the count after creating the table. So in this scenario, you have to do the parameter mapping because it is a table. We are going to insert the data into one table. Then it is necessary to do parameter mapping in Execute SQL Task. So by this way, you can read and write the data by using Execute SQL Tasks. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.